Alright guys, we are here out at Perry Lake, out at the trails. Go riding. But hurry up, get your boot on, boy. Ready? All right. Ready? All right. Mama, come on. Go have some fun. Whoa. Huh. I am. There's Mommy. Bonk, 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 bonk. Ready to go? Bonk, bonk, bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Bonk, bonk. Yep, Mommy's coming. Mommy's doing a very good job. Bonk, 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 bonk. Let's see here. Which way do we want to go? We'll go that way.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Daddy killed it. Hold on, hop up. We're gonna go that way, okay? Yep, Mommy's right behind us. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look, there's Mommy. There. Daddy was looking for. Ugh. We gotta go up one now. This spot right here. Yeah. Looky. Is that cool? Little pond. Here, hop up for a second. Oh, get Daddy's goggles. Alright guys, we will be right back. Alright, we're gonna see if we can make it up one of these little hills here. Oh, you're right there. Did you see that hill? Been bad. It almost feels like something's loose somewhere, but I can't. Look, watch Mommy. So go, Mom, go! Look. You got it, babe. Just like that. Now put it. Ready? Woo! Was that cool? Yeah, hit that button. Push this button down for Daddy. Push it. Hold it down. Keep doing it. There you go. Ugh. Oh shit! The damn chain's already loose again. What the f is going on? Are you shitting me? Cause that's why. Look. What the f, man?
What the heck? Where the heck is? I don't know I did do that before, Dada. I knew that was possible. I knew that was possible.
Great.
What happened?
Alright guys, we will return. Actually, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. So on today's episode of Riding in the Trails, chain just popped off on me and I just put it back on there. But for some reason it's still really loose. I didn't bring my chest bag with me that has some of my tools in it. So we're going to end the video here and get this thing back out of here into the trailer. So alright, I'm going to take a quick lap on the electric bike since the damn chain broke on that one. Take us a quick little rip on this bitch. Damn. Whoa! Damn! Whoa! No vehicles. What? Come on, come on. Yeah. Yeah. Just bump. Tree stump. Baby. Well, let's take a rip on out of here. Get back to the car. Load up, head home. It's about dinner time. Ooh. Big time. Oh shit, ouch. Oh shit, there's a drop. Ouch. See what I mean? Get yourself a Tudio. I got a gas-powered dirt bike and the fucking thing's already been broke. I've been out here tearing the shit out of this thing already. Mobbing on the Tudio. I love this damn bike. Oh shit, look, there's deer. Oh man. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Come here, baby. Oh my God! Oh, the lady's gonna shit. All right, we're gonna go. The old lady's gonna get her phone or her camera, big camera out. She's gonna take some photos. Damn, son. Oh. Oh, man, that was a hard one. Oh, my McNuggets. Oh. All right, guys. I'm done for today, y'all. Red bearded out. Here, give us a gun. All right, guys. Peace out, my beardies. I hope you guys enjoyed.